Bonjour and hello everybody, my name is Walker White and welcome to my PC. For those of you that have been following, this room probably doesn't sound very echoey, sorry about that, bear with me. So this is my new PC, and for those of you that have been following it, you know that I just recently built a PC here. It's not gonna, implode worlds or do anything crazy like that, but it's good enough for what I'm going to need it to do. For those of you who've been following it, or even just to say it now, you know that I'm kind of a scrub at this stuff. I kind of have no idea what I'm doing. I'm honestly surprised that when I plugged it in, everything worked and everything was fine. I got all the drivers and everything was good. Everything was hunky-dory. Now, let's cue to Coop fucking up. So, what I did, or what I think I did, as you can see, all of these folders say documents. And what you might also notice is if I go to the properties and I go to location, it says, well, that's its own fuck up, but that says that location. And if I go to this thing, same location. Now, I'm not going to because it's part of the fuck up, but if I move this literally anywhere else, all of them move with it, and I can't change the name from documents. They're all locked as documents. So what I think happened is when I was moving these folders and the libraries from my local SSD to this drive, one of them I must have carried over and not had its own folder and accidentally created it as a drive. And then when I noticed that there was something wrong, I tried to bring it all back, and what it did is it fused them all together. Now they're all like one document. Like even you can see on my desktop, all this shit's here because it thinks that my desktop, my documents, my picture, all that stuff is all the same thing. So I fucked that up. What I then tried to do is I tried to put this folder, that's sort of one folder, into my into my user, and again it just fused them together. So now my user account now also says documents, and it has all this shit in it, and it's all fused together. It's all fucked up. So I fucked it up. Classic. You know what I mean? I didn't mean to. I screwed it up. And I looked online, and it basically kind of said you're fucked. If you guys know any other way to fix that, please let me know. I'm kind of frustrated here. This isn't the first video that I wanted to make on the PC. I really wanted to do a game video, and I already have games lined up to play, but I need to fix this before I do that. So if you have any ideas on how to have that, please drop a comment and let me know. I'm probably going to post this to some Reddit forums to try and get some answers, because it really sucks that I spent all this time and money on something, and because I right-clicked in the wrong spot, my shit's all fucked up. Which brings me to my next point, which I'm also going to need help with. I have sort of given up. I fucked up. I screwed this up. I own it. So what I've decided that I'm going to do is do a restore, which is perfectly okay. I don't care about losing anything that happened between certain point and certain point. So yeah, system restore, cool. This is the point that I'm okay with, because this is inside of the time where I fucked it up. So this is the closest one to now since it got all fucked up. So I hit next, and it'll say, yeah, this is all, do you want to confirm that you're going to do this, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to click finish, and then I'm going to show you what comes up after I hit finish. So as you can see, as you can see, the system restore didn't work. It was not successful because it says system restore directory, restore point, blah, blah. It says the destination program files, Windows apps. An unspecified error occurred during the system restore. I've searched this code a million times and the Windows apps folder a million times. And when you look it up online, there's a million different things it'll tell you to do. Rename the file, delete the file, recreate the file, move the file somewhere else. I have done all of those variations. I have done everything I can think of. Like, I'm pretty sure if I look it up right now, program files, it's not there anymore. Because in my trying to do shit I tried renaming it, didn't work. I tried moving it, didn't work. I just straight up deleted it. It's still not working. It's still in here, I think. Maybe not even in here anymore. I had it in here as well, but it doesn't seem to make a difference. So I'm kind of stuck here because I fucked up the directories here and basically folded a whole bunch of things in together, and that sucks, and I want to fix that. But I don't know how to do that. So if anybody knows how to do that, please let me know in the comments. It'll seriously really help me out, and it'll help me be able to make more better videos, because I now have the stronger PC, and I can now actually make these quality videos that I really want to do. But I fucked it up before I could even do that. What's even harder after that is if I just fold and say, okay, fine, I fucked it up, and I'm going to live with that mistake. I'm going to do a system restore and have to reinstall some stuff. Cool. I can't even do that. So if anybody knows how to get around this error, please let me know in the comments. It'll seriously really help me out, and I will really appreciate it. Like I'm thanking you ahead of time for helping me out. I just don't know how to get around this error here. So just to say it again, the details are, and I know you can see it on the screen, but just because I just want to make sure it's clear, the system restore failed because the app staging in the destination Windows apps, and it just says that an unspecified error occurred. I have changed the name, moved it, deleted it, recreated it, and done all of the variations of that, and nothing seems to work. So I've also tried to run the system restore and go from every other point. So I've also gone from these 2 points, not these ones, because that won't help me, because the problem still exists here. So I haven't tried it there, but I don't really think that there would be a point. Here, I guess I'll try it right now and see if that does anything. So I'm going to try this, and when it comes back having the same problem, I'm going to need some help, guys. Yep, so as we can see, that did not work. So, yeah, I want to say, if you hope you like the video, guys, drop a like and subscribe and the normal thing, but I'm really more focused on getting help to fix this so that I can make more quality content for you guys later down the road. So if you could like the video just to be supportive, I would really appreciate it. If you want to throw a sub on there, if you see stuff on my channel, like other videos that you enjoy, I would really appreciate that. If there's anything else on the channel that you see that you like, throw a like on there too. I really appreciate it. But again, I'm really looking for that help to fix this problem. So please post comments if you know how to fix my issue. I will, I really will appreciate it. So I hope you guys have a better day than I'm having right now. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.